The nationwide security breach at Target was not on any shopper's holiday wish list.
Target says the security breach that involves stolen credit and debit card information may have affected about 40 million of its customers.
Also pulled off a second and much larger theft, the personal information of up to 70 million customers.
Well, there's actually been a number of breaches over the years. I mean, Target is the most recent one, and it involves, tens of millions of customers, so it's garnered a lot of attention. But your information is always at risk every day from hackers and scammers and the like. We're at a different level of technology here than in Europe, and there's many reasons for that. Also, we're the biggest market in the world, so certainly, as they used to say about robbing banks, that's where the money is. There are a lot of changes coming very fast in the payment industry. New things that may be more convenient for consumers, but they also create new risks, and they're things that we have to be very attentive to and balance carefully as the regulator of many of these products.
We know this breach has shaken their confidence in Target, and we are determined to work very hard to earn it back.
You do have protections under federal law, and we think it's important for consumers to recognize that. The first thing is you have the ability to try to protect yourself. You should be paying very close attention to your accounts, monitoring your accounts, looking for any suspicious activity. Some of it may even be very small activity, because sometimes they start by doing that to see if it's a live account. And any problem that you see, you should report immediately to the credit card company or bank, because they do have obligations to resolve disputes and correct errors for you. In general, with credit cards, there's protections under federal law that the amount of charges that you can be hit with, as long as you're reporting and doing the things I mentioned about monitoring your account, there's limitations on how much you can be out of pocket. And that's pretty good protection under federal law. But there is also the inconvenience of having to get issued a new card. Maybe you have to change the numbers on accounts. You have to put time into it. There's heartburn for people and a lot of anxiety about what's happening to me. This is another reason why I think the whole industry has to review and think hard about their practices.